Hi, after Ghibli style art images, action figure kit store is now going viral. Let's look at the screen. So if you are a designer or e-commerce store owners or influencers looking to attract people by creating this kind of trending videos, then today's video is for you. I'll show you exactly how you can do it, and that is completely free. So let's get started. So first, we'll generate the image like this, and for that we use the ChatGPT. So head over to ChatGPT. The tool link you can find in the description. So click on it and click on the plus icon, and here you will need to upload 4 photos. So any product photos you want to include, you can add here. For example, I'm going to upload a monitor, a Mac Mini, a camera, and a selfie of myself. You can upload up to 4 photos, and after uploading, just click here or press enter. In few minutes, ChatGPT will generate the image for you, and here is the final result. Now to download the image, you can just click here or right click and choose save as image. Now we'll take this image and turn it into a video. For that process, we'll use the Kling AI. As usual, you can find the tools link in the description. So go over to the description and click on the link. Now first on the right side, click on create and you can see the dashboard. Let's log in first. Just click sign in on the left side and log in with your Google account. This tool gives you 166 credit every month, which is good enough. So these tools lets you generate images, text to video, image to video, and even sound. We'll be using the image to video feature. So on the right side, click on video, then choose image to video from the 2 option. Now upload your image by clicking here. Then in this box, you need to enter a prompt. I have already written mine, so I'm just going to paste it here. I have also added this prompt in the description, so you can find it out from there. You can use the motion brush as well, but for that you will need to change the tool version. I don't need motion for this, so I'll skip it. You can also enter negative prompt here if needed. From here you can change the standard settings. For professional quality, you will need a premium version, but we are going with the free version, so we'll leave it as it is. Now you can set the video duration between 5 to 10 seconds. You can increase the output quality too, but again that needs premium, so we just leave it. You can also boost creativity from here. Once all is done, just click generate, and in sometimes could be a few minutes or hours, your video will be ready. Here is the final result. You can download the video from here. One thing to keep in mind, your video prompts should match your image. Otherwise, you will end up wondering why it is working not right. So that's it for today. So if you enjoy my video, then make sure you like it and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends who also want to jump into a latest trend. See you in the next one.